Can you imagine having 27 different successful leaders? These are all top leaders in the entire profession of network marketing. And what I did is I brought them together and I said, I want you to give your very best strategy to help someone crush their business. So I'm just gonna read a couple of these to you. First one is taprooting. What is that? It's the art of sponsoring a circle of influence. The next topic we're gonna talk about, growing your business through social media, strategies to never run out of contacts and leads in your business. The next one, how to utilize events and expos. The next one, how to launch your newest recruit, because recruiting is good. How do you create that viral duplication? The next one, creating a recruiting mindset, because we know mindset will eat skills and systems for breakfast. Daily methods of operation to build a thriving business, becoming a super recruiter, and attraction marketing. Most people think they understand attraction marketing, but it's a lot different than they think. This specific book will have 27 authors giving you their very best strategy to help you crush your business.